Okay, some of y'all have been a little bit confused on dimensioning. So let's look and see what we need to do in regards to dimensioning a drawing that we drew on the screen. So we're going to take this piece here that I drew. You can see all the different faces that I drew on here. Now, we can go ahead, we can do some dimensioning here, but we can only do dimensioning to measure it once we get into this stage here. And then we could come over here and we could dimension this and we can see how wide it is. Okay, but once we get done with that, it will disappear and there is no dimensions. So the only way we can apply dimensions is if we do new and we come over here to standard dimensioning, pulls up a sheet. We can then right mouse click, do base view, do current, so we can look at our image here. We can change the size of it to reflect this size here. We can also change it from the line drawing to a 3D, should we choose to. Then we can also come over here and do base view, and we can change it to front, and then we can change it to this one here. Okay, and right mouse click, create. So then we can go ahead and we can move this down. Okay, and as you see, they're constrained to each other now, which is just fine. So we can move them up a bit, move this one over just a bit, and then we have our 3D here. Okay, we can also edit the view if we wanted to, and we can tell it to do the gray, and you can see all the hidden lines, what's underneath it. Now, when you want to do dimensioning, we would simply come up here to annotate, and we can dimension here and pull it up. We can also dimension here and here, here and here. We can also dimension here and here, this one and this one as well. And we could also understandably do this one and this one. Okay, and we could also, if we wanted to, we could do this one here. Okay, and then we could do this one here if we wanted to, but we try not to get too much crossing here. Okay, so if we decide to, we won't be able to dimension across because I don't want to go diagonal from here to here. See? And so it will want to do a diagonal unless we just simply control it and tell it what we want it to be. Okay, and so we've went ahead and we can also dimension this. Okay, and you notice how it wants to make it symmetrically. Alright, let's see. Can we dimension this? Yes, we can. Can we dimension this? We sure can, but don't think we need to on this side. So maybe we can dimension it on this side here if we wanted to. It likes it better on this side for some reason. But really this is all we need, because this part is basically here, and then we have our window right here. Okay? So that is dimensioning. So we dimension on the drawing sheet.